Okay, I'm not sure if you know this or not, but the market's closed Monday, so we're looking at a 3-day weekend. So we might have light volume on Friday as traders leave early to have an extended weekend. So keep that in mind. Also, because it's a 3-day weekend, we are offering a President's Day special on our trading course and also a combination of trading course and lifetime membership if you want to go that route. Our chat room is a great complement to the info that you'll learn in our almost 10-hour long trading course. And with a 3-day weekend, it gives you extra time to study and be ready to implement our strategies starting on Tuesday. So we'd love to help you with that. Also, we may see some of you in the webinar tonight. The special offer, the link to the special offer for President's Day, I'm going to go ahead and put in the description to this video, or if you subscribe to our emails, you'll also see the link there. And again, we're having find my Twitter feed. We're having a webinar tonight at 7:30, talking about pump and dumps, and looking forward to seeing everybody there as well. So the SPY ended up a pretty narrow range today, but it ended up closing fairly strong. Look at it on an intraday basis, right? It looked like it was rolling over. Hey, we're finally seeing some weakness, and then next thing you know, in the afternoon, grinds its way up pretty well, and still very, very strong market. So here's what I'm going to be watching for Friday. NOVN had this nice breakout of this island down here, and then an inside day on much lower volume. Maybe a third day play. I'm going to watch that one. PTCT. A little extra volume today, 2.6 million shares, right up to that $14 resistance. If we get any kind of volume through that 14 area, I think that's worth a shot tomorrow. IMUC, big volume 2 sessions ago, and a couple days lower on declining volume. This one might turn and rip back through 3 tomorrow. We're going to watch that one. LPTH was on watch today. No setups, no trades, but now you've got 2 days lower on declining volume after the big breakout. I like that setup. ZAIS, kind of the same kind of setup, right? Huge pop, couple red days lower, declining volume, might be a third, let's see, it'd be a 4th day play, but it's worth watching. EVOK. After the gap up, this went all the way up through 450. Much lower volume today, and I mean, I don't really like it when they completely round trip, but if it can, it hasn't quite filled the gap. It might surprise people and turn up tomorrow. I generally don't like setups that have almost round trip though, so keep that in mind. XOMA, I actually like this setup. A really nice 2-day pop from like 4 to 6, and a couple days lower on lower volume. This one looks pretty good to me, so that one I want to watch. That one, SCON, big pop in this one today after the gap, but closed below its open, so I'm not in love with it, but I do want to watch that one. Definitely massive volume today, 28 million shares. PSIX, big pop today. Closing well off its highs, but closing well off its lows. So let's keep that one on a chart as well. CUR, a big volume spike today. Again, kind of like I just said, it's closing well off its highs, but also well off its lows. It's a lower float stock. I definitely think that could be worth watching tomorrow. Maybe some kind of flag below 4 and push through the whole number 4. I have no idea how it's going to trade or open tomorrow, though. Could gap up or down, so that's why in these videos I never give you hey, I like it at this price, because I don't know if it's going to gap up or down, making that the price that I mentioned in these videos irrelevant. So keep that in mind. But it definitely goes on a chart. TOPS, nice breakout today. It's a thinner, low float shipper with a strong close. That one maybe a follow through day tomorrow. And then lastly, I can't believe I'm putting this one on watch. RGSE, which you can't see much here because of all the reverse splits. So I have to zoom way in. Closing at $2. It's trading at 243 in after hours. You know what? Let me just go back and use like 15-minute candles. All right, so this is the action. Remember, it's done a lot of reverse splits. So the chart's kind of weird because of that. Today's high was 203, and then it closed fairly strong. And then in after hours, I'm assuming it had news. It's up here at 246. So this one might squeeze tomorrow. It's definitely worth watching. We'll add some gappers in the pre-market as well as this list, and hopefully we'll find just a couple good trades to get our daily goal in. And enjoy the rest of your evening, guys, and we'll talk to you either tonight at the webinar or we'll see you tomorrow.